Hi everyone, my name is Anshalika Soni and you are with me on my YouTube channel Legacy of Law. So in this series we are going to talk about some important questions and facts, and I'm going to discuss the answer that is related to law as well as our Indian Constitution. So my first question for today is, well, I will not say this is the first question or the last question. I'll say that the important question for today is, what are the three main organ of Indian democracy? और I will say कि ऐसे तीन मेन पिलर कौन से हैं इंडियन डेमोक्रेसी के? Do you know the answer of that? Okay, if you don't know the answer of that, it's fine. I'm going to tell you. और मैं ही बताने वाली हूँ दोनों लैंग्वेजेस में, इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी. So the question for today is, what are the three main organs of Indian democracy? Or you can say, what are the three main pillars of Indian democracy? So the three main pillars of Indian democracy is legislature, executive and judiciary. So these are the three main organs of Indian democracy. So my second question for today is, who was the first Chief Justice of India? So the first Chief Justice of India was Justice KANIA. Third question is, in whose period court was established in India? So the answer is Warren Hastings. Warren Hastings जब थे तब कोर्ट स्टैब्लिश की गई थी इंडिया में. Now the fourth question is, who has a right to remove session judge from the court? So High Court has the right. इसका आंसर है हाई कोर्ट. हाई कोर्ट के पास ये अधिकार होता है कि वो सेशन कोर्ट के जज को अलग कर सके या हटा सके. The fifth and the last question for today is, who wrote the Judicial Review for Confrontation? So it was written by Justice H.R. Khanna.